Ministry of Youth, Sports and Community Empowerment will launch a number of projects as part of its national anti-violence campaign. These projects are part of a sustained range of social intervention programs to effect changes in behavior leading to a reduction in violence in our communities. I must reiterate that these projects are aimed at early intervention and were developed based on the empirical data outlined in the Ministry's anti-violence campaign project documents and impetus from stakeholders. Let me also clarify that the intention is to use traditional and non-traditional methods as vehicles to drive the anti-violence messages in the face and consciousness of Barbadians, and to start conversations that will assist us in the process of behavioral change to end all violence now. I'm therefore pleased today to launch the National Parenting Program, but I invite you to look out for our other programs to be rolled out during this quarter. The launch of this parenting program is very timely, given the current challenges affecting the very social fabric of our society. In the face of increased secularization, social dislocation, and breakdown in community, there have been strident calls for society to return to our core values and to strengthen family systems. The ministry is therefore attempting to answer these calls, as there is evidence that demonstrates a high correlation between poor parenting practices and social dysfunction. In addition, the ministry is also cognizant that the institution of the family has undergone significant change over time. It is therefore our view that parenting education must also change to address this dynamic and to balance the tension between the traditional and non-traditional definitions of the family. In this regard, the ministry has a duty to ensure that parents and communities are provided with education, support, and resources for self-empowerment. The National Parenting Program is therefore such an intervention to restore families as the building blocks for healthy and wholesome communities. The project is projected to commence on the 20th of September 2021 and will target young persons between the ages of 18 and 25 across Barbados. It will expose young parents and prospective parents to the positive parent method and provide them with skills to cope with and socialize children into acceptable norms and values. The curriculum will be broad enough to widen participants' knowledge, promote positive thinking, and challenge myths and faulty thinking about parenting and child development. The curriculum will include sessions on self-development, conflict resolution, anger management and bullying, IT-minded or tech-wise, how children grow, physical, emotional, mental and social development, effective communication, substance abuse, physical, sexual and reproductive health, and budgeting. On completion of the psychoeducational component of the project, it is anticipated that phase 2 of the project will involve a period of continuous group monitoring with assistance from the established men and women groups such as MESA, Men's, and NOW. The project is initiated as a first step to promote positive parenting, although a number of social development outcomes are anticipated. These outcomes include providing young persons with positive parenting skills, leadership, a renewed sense of pride and dignity among communities, reintegration of young men and women into mainstream society, participants having knowledge that they can use to prepare their children for a better future, positive changes in families will facilitate and contribute to the psychosocial stability of the country, creating an environment which stimulates amicable solutions to conflict in the home. The ministry will work with a number of strategic partners to achieve the aforementioned goals. These delivery partners are well known and versed in the field of parenting and include Paradox, Network Services Center, the Child Care Board, and the Potter Center. These partnerships will be responsible for specific zones and will employ a number of facilitators to deliver the content using appropriate adult learning modalities.